So today I'm going to be fixing this LED light. The cord ended up getting ripped out of it. And now I need to open it up and solder the wire back into it. So that way it works again and I can use it. So I am lacking certain tools at the moment. So here we have it. Now what I'm going to do to prevent this from the future for ever happening again, which I guess they really should have done, I'm going to take and unsolder them, and I'm going to write down on a piece of paper the order of it real quick. Black, red, then white from the out, and this is the inside. Black, red, and white. Alright, so now I'm going to heat up my soldering iron. Which needs a little bit of a cleaning, but hey, it is what it is. So, just waiting for this to heat up. While I'm waiting for this to heat up, I'm going to grab a few things here and get it ready. Some solder paste. Trying to add some lighting to the table for us, for all you guys. Maybe make it a little bit better. This is just temporary until I get my own space for doing this. I luckily have a friend that is helping me out with the spot to be able to do all this stuff and make these videos for all you guys. So if you do like this video, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. It helps the YouTube algorithm to know that you like these videos, and it'll display my videos more and help me out as well. This hopefully is heated up. Just quickly tin it. This has been sitting fairly unused for a while now. So now I'm just going to unsolder the other two. You know what? I am going to grab some tools here. Oh, case. Here we go. This should help. Get it under that wire, and there we go. And there we go. Those are unsoldered. Now, I am just going to quickly shove this wire through. Like that. And then tie it. It's real close to the end. I don't want too much in there because it looks like it'll just block some of the lights, but I do want another knot in here. There, it's nice and tight. There. Now, I gotta tin these wires a bit. Sorry about the lack of light. Tin them all with nice fresh solder, flick off the excess. Turn my soldering iron down. I've got 2 settings on this soldering iron particularly. So now I'm just going to solder it back to it. The solder on there looks alright. So I'm just going to take each one here and black, red, then white. So black, red, then white. So I'm just going to grab this one. Get it, whoops, ready to solder. Okay, there's black. There's my red one. Ouch. I just slid and touched the metal of my iron. And now I'm going to end up soldering the white wire here. And that, my friends, should fix this. So before I go anywhere and do anything, we got to test it and find out. Make sure that it's actually fixed. And first, I'm going to solder this white wire down better. There. Let's see how that turned out. Now, this particular one, this ring light, has a USB with different settings on it. That way you can actually take and you can connect unplug the right thing here. connect it. Oh, there's the power. Oh, nice and bright. Okay, so, and it's fixed now. It's got a brightness and dimness on and off. And that light, or both lights. So that, my friends, fixes this one. And also improves on the design a little bit. I know it could have been better soldering job, but it works. It's in there. I didn't end up cleaning up the old stuff. I just used what was there. It's just a cheap, quick fix for myself. It's not something I'm giving out to anybody else. It works. It's improved because now I actually have a knot tied in the wire. It can't go nowhere. Can't pull on it anymore. So that is fixed. I believe this just pops back on. If you look, there's a groove. And right in there, there's a groove as well. And this is the same on both sides. You just somehow squeeze it. Just a little bit around each side. And there you go. It's all back in. It's all fixed. I like this one. It's got a nice little stand on it and everything. There we go. So it's got this bluish, then it's got this kind of reddish, then it's got both combined. So blue, red, both combined. Or orangish, reddish, whatever you want to call it. Then a dimmer. And on off. And this brand here, Orzda. I know I'm probably pronouncing that completely wrong. The base unscrews. It works really well though. Mind you, like I said, when they made it, they didn't tie that knot in the wire. They should have tied the knot in the wire. It would have made it a lot better, and it would have made it so it didn't. So it wasn't so easy to pull the wire through and rip it out. That being said, this is fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and have a great day.